How you doing? This is the boys are back. Triple therapy, just showing you how to change a hubcap if you have an old car, because these new ones do not have them. They're hard to find. So literally just undo all these. Undo that. Found this one at the junkyard for $5. Put this one on. See what I did? You gotta put that. Huh? Yeah. Yep. Yep, most of the video you're just gonna be watching me spin this. But I mean, that's just all you do. Just make sure your valve stem is with this. Otherwise it could pinch it and mess it up. That's good. Don't over tighten it, it's plastic. Yeah, that's it. See you guys for another one.